Let me ask you a quick question before we start. If the company you're with right now disappeared tomorrow, would you still be able to contact the people you've been building relationships with? Be honest. Because if the answer is no, this video might save you years of frustration. Let me tell you a quick story. I've got a friend. Let's call him Dave. Dave spent 3 solid years building his network marketing business. He did everything right, followed up, built trust, treated people like humans, not numbers. His company had a built-in contact management system, and Dave used it religiously. Over 2,000 contacts, people who knew him, trusted him, bought from him. Then one random Tuesday morning, Dave woke up to an email. The company was restructuring. 60 days later, his entire division was shut down. And just like that, poof. Those 2,000 contacts, gone. No export, no backup, no warning. 3 years of relationship building erased by a corporate decision Dave had zero control over. And at 57 years old, Dave had to start over. Again. If you've been around this industry long enough, you probably know a Dave. Heck, maybe you've been Dave. I know I have. Here's the hard truth nobody likes to talk about. If your contacts live inside a company system, they are not yours. I don't care how nice the dashboard looks. I don't care how convenient it feels. If you can't download your list, back it up and take it with you. You're building on rented land, and rented land can be taken away at any time. Companies change policies. Companies shut down. Companies restructure. Companies get sold. And when that happens, they don't ask permission to take your contacts with them. That's why building your own email list in your own autoresponder is so critical. This one shift changes everything. Because when the list is yours, you own the relationships, you control the conversation, and you never have to start from scratch again. Switch companies? Your list comes with you. Try a new opportunity? Your list stays intact? Take a break? Your list is still there when you come back. That list becomes an asset, something no company can touch. Now I know what you might be thinking. Ugh, email lists sound technical. I'm not a tech person. I've tried this before. Listen, today's autoresponders are not what they used to be. You don't need to be a tech wizard. You don't need fancy funnels or complicated systems. If you can send an email, you can do this. That's why, in the full blog post, I recommend a beginner-friendly autoresponder that's been around for over 20 years, has real human support, and even lets you start for free. It's built for regular people, especially if you're over 40, 50, or starting over again. And here's something else most people don't realize. Email marketing still absolutely dominates. Not social media, not algorithms, not viral posts. Email. People check their email every single day. There's no algorithm deciding who sees your message. It lands straight in their inbox. And automated email sequences? They quietly generate sales around the clock, even while you sleep. That's why your own autoresponder matters so much. Now let me clear something up. I'm not saying you should ignore your company's contact system. Use it if you need to, but it should never be your only system. The smart move is simple. Capture leads into your autoresponder first. Then, if required, add them to the company system. That way, you're protected no matter what happens. You get the best of both worlds, without the risk. Of course, to build an email list, you also need a simple way to collect emails. That's where a basic funnel comes in. Nothing fancy. Just a clean page where someone enters their email to get something helpful from you. Tips, a guide, a video, training. In the blog, I break down a simple funnel system designed specifically for beginners who don't want tech headaches or confusion. Autoresponder plus funnel. That combination is when things finally start to click. Here's the big takeaway I want you to remember. Companies will come and go. Programs will change. Platforms will disappear. But the relationships you build with people who trust you, that's gold. And that gold should live in your vault, not someone else's. When you own your email list, you stop living in fear of, what if this company folds? You start building something that's actually yours, permanent, portable, protected. So here's your next step. If this message hit home, if you've ever lost contacts or you're scared of losing them, go check out the full blog post linked below. I break everything down step by step, and I share the exact tools I personally recommend to get started without overwhelm. The blog has the autoresponder, the funnel system, and the simple plan to put it all together. Don't wait until you're forced to start over. Build it right this time.